Namaste, my name is Ishita and I am a yoga wellness instructor with WellCure. In today's module, I will be teaching you some very effective yoga practices for the management of thyroid and its associated symptoms like brain fog and hair fall. We all know the location of the thyroid gland. It is a butterfly shaped gland which is located in front of the throat. So throughout this module, I want you to keep your awareness on the thyroid gland, and also in the yoga view, thyroid gland is associated with the Vishuddhi chakra, which is the center where the poisons get converted into nectar, and therefore for proper detoxification and elimination of these toxins out of the body, it's very important that we keep the thyroid gland working efficiently. So without any further ado, get into your comfortable clothes, hop on your mat and let's get started. Sit in a comfortable cross-legged position. Keep your palms on your knees, relax your shoulders and gently close your eyes. Keep your chin parallel to the floor. Inhale through the nose and as you exhale, lift your head up, look up towards the ceiling. And as you inhale, bring your head back to the center. Exhale and bring your chin closer to the chest. Inhale and back to the center. You can repeat this 2 to 3 times with complete awareness of the breath. Complete your round and go for side to side movement of the neck. So head in the center. Inhale, exhale and turn your head to the right. Chin in line with the right shoulder. Inhale back to the center. Exhale to the left. Inhale back to the center. Repeat with complete breath awareness 2 to 3 times. And slowly come back to the starting position. You can next practice lateral bending of the neck. So bend your head to the right side, center, and bend your head to the left, center. 2 more times on your own. With this, we are loosening and relaxing the neck muscles, and slowly bring your head back to the center. You can do 2 neck rolls, the clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. So inhale as you take your head up, exhale as you take your head down, and repeat on the other side as well. Once your neck is fairly relaxed, we go to the next practice. We'll be doing 2 neuro exercises. For the first neuro exercise, stretch your right palm and stretch out the left forefinger. With 1 finger, clap once, 2 fingers, clap 2 times, 3 fingers, clap 3 times, 4 fingers, clap 4 times, and 5 fingers, clap 5 times. So this is the practice that we do for removing any kind of brain fog, confusion, and also improving the alertness of the mind. And you can repeat the same on the left side, stretching out your left palm, 1 finger, 1 clap, 2 fingers, 2 claps, 3 fingers, 3 claps, 4 fingers, 4 claps, 5 fingers, 5 claps. Complete your round and we go for the next neuro exercise, which is the finger gestures. So with the help of your right palm, stretch out the first 2 fingers, and of the left palm, stretch out the last 3 fingers. And now change and change again, change and change again, and continue and speed up. Go slow if you are getting confused with the practice, but do the practice correctly. Slowly stop the practice and relax. We go for the asanas now. The first asana that we will be doing is the Sarvang asana. For the Sarvang asana or the shoulder stand, you will have to lie down in the supine position. Keep your legs together and keep your hands by the side of your body. Now slowly lift your legs up and lift your buttocks up and your lower back up so that you come up high on your shoulders. You can support your back with your hands. Try to move your elbows closer towards each other and move your hands along your back. Try to keep your legs straight. Your entire weight is supported on your shoulders. Breathe in deeply and stay in this posture for 30 to 60 seconds. With this practice, an enormous amount of pressure is placed on your thyroid gland, so it's a very powerful posture. It also helps in improving the circulation and squeezes out any stagnant secretion. From here, you can go ahead slowly and practice the Hal Asana. So in a controlled manner, take your legs behind your head, keeping them straight, and try to touch the toes on the floor. You can place your hands on the floor or keep them on your lower back, supporting it. Hal Asana again is a very good practice for improving the circulation around the thyroid gland. It is a very calming pose. It helps in reducing stress as well as fatigue. Now very slowly release the pose, lift your legs up in a controlled manner and place your back on the floor. Get your legs to 90 degrees and very slowly bring them down to 60, 45, 30, just above the floor, on the floor, and relax. From here we go for the practice of Matsyasana, which is a counter pose but a very powerful practice for improving the thyroid gland function. For this, you can keep your legs together and hands by the side of your body. Very slowly come up on your forearms, placing your elbows firmly on the floor. With an inhale, lift your upper torso up and let your head go back towards the floor, the crown facing the floor. Keep breathing in and out smoothly for 15 to 30 seconds. You can hold this posture. Matsyasana is a very wonderful practice for improving the functioning of the thyroid gland. It also helps in improving your posture. And very slowly lift your head up. And slowly you can come in a sitting posture. We go for the next practice, which is the cat and cow or Marjarasana, for which you will have to turn to one side and come in a tabletop position. With an inhale, lift your head up, curve your back nicely, and with an exhale, bring your head down, chin to the chest, and repeat this movement for a few times. And very slowly from here you can stretch forward, pressing your thighs into the floor and going in Bhujang Asana. Slightly keep your chin tilted up and feel the stretch all along your throat. Remain with your eyes closed and hold this for anywhere between 10 to 30 seconds. Very slowly you can come back in the cat and cow pose or Marjarasana, and you can stand up on your knees for the next practice of Ardha Ustrasana. Your palms at your lower back, bring your elbows together, roll your shoulders back and start tilting your tailbone towards the pelvic bone. As you push it forward, your upper back naturally gets a good backward curve, opening up the chest, and let your head fall back. You can hold this for 10 to 15 seconds, breathing normally, and gently lift your head up, bring your pelvis back to the center and slowly come up in the upright position. You can sit down on your heels, release Vajrasana and stretch your legs out in front. Jump your knees up and down, toes in and out. And get ready for the next practice, which is a pranayam practice. So sit in a cross-leg position, back straight, shoulders relaxed. We go for the Ujjayi pranayam. For the Ujjayi pranayam, first and foremost, we do the preparatory practice. For this, close your eyes and inhale through the nose. And for exhaling, slightly open your mouth and make a heavy sound. Continue for 3 to 4 counts. Imagine that you're blowing out steam on a glass window, feeling that friction at your throat. Once you complete the preparatory practice, we can go for the classical practice of Ujjayi pranayam. For this, keep your lips sealed and constrict your throat muscles. And now inhale and exhale with a frictional sound at the base of your throat. Complete your round, release and relax. We go for the Bandha practice. We are doing the Jalandhar Bandha or the neck lock, throat lock. Follow my instructions. Keep your palms on your knees. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out in one go through the mouth. Hold your breath outside and tuck your chin to the chest. This is a breath holding practice, so do as per your capacity. And slowly lift your head up, breathe in and breathe out. You can repeat this practice for 3 to 4 times. The Jalandhar Bandha stimulates the thyroid gland. It also stimulates the carotid nerves which are present at the base of your throat. So it helps in improving the metabolism. And very slowly complete your round and stop the practice. You can end the practice by chanting the mantra Hum, H-A-M, which is the mantra to activate the Vishuddhi chakra or stimulate it. So with your eyes closed and awareness on the Vishuddhi, let us end the practice by the hum chanting. Palms gently rested on your knees. Join me on my 3rd count. Hum, 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 hum. Slow down, internalize the chanting. And slowly rub your palms together, generating a good warmth within your palms, and place your warm palms on your closed eyes. And very slowly open your eyes. Thank you everyone for practicing this thyroid module. I wish you health and happiness.